Metabolic Syndrome Part 2. Reverse your diabetes. So reminder, metabolic syndrome are these three things: diabetes, stroke, heart disease. So we're talking about diabetes today. Now there's two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 you're actually born with, and your pancreas, you're not producing insulin. That's not what we're talking about today. Today we're going to talk about what is reversible is type 2. A type 2, aka, is also called adult onset diabetes. I know if you Google it, people are going to say, websites are going to say diabetes type 2 is not reversible. Yeah, it is, because it's adult onset. That means we created it. We created the diabetes. How does that happen? So a normal cell, this is what, this blue little triangle is insulin. And this thing is like a door. Here's a little door, and it's a lock and key. The insulin opens up the door, and it allows the sugar to go into the cells. Now, that's what normally happens with blood sugar metabolism. Now, when we get to type 2 diabetes, you can see this red, the keyhole is like warped, right? So the key no longer fits in the keyhole. No wonder the blood sugar won't go into the cell. It's because the keyhole is warped. How do you reverse it? The keyhole is warped because of inflammation. So as long as if you can decrease the inflammation, reverse that inflammation, you can reverse diabetes.